Hello, my name is Nadir Habib. Today's video is set up YouTube uploadation process workflow by the help of n8n. It's just 1% now. So let's check that out. So first of all, we fill the form. So here's I write my title, video titles, car rental VO 3.1. So that video is VO 3. So I write here car rental video animation 3. So I upload here's my video. So let's submit the form.
Welcome to Digizio all-in-one open marketing platform.
Now Gemini download a file from the server URL on the cloud by Gemini server, and next the analyzer Gemini analyze the video, and the next node is the get videos on the titles, and after that they aggregate in the 5 items to one item, and after they return all data according title, description, text, and after that they analyze. So now we again upload a video. So let's submit a form. And now the agent analyze and parse out the title, and after that the humanizer is the SEO tool that can and humanize your title and description and text. After that the date and time in the next day at 6 hour clock for the PM time they publish your video, and the again they want the video, and after they publish the form is submitted and our YouTube video is uploaded. So let's check that out. Yes, I refresh my page. Here's you see that the video is published and the words is made for the kid. I write here, and what is the time? The next 28th December. Today is 27 deck, and at 23 at 6 p.m. they have published video. So let's check that out. So first of all, I fill a form, the video title, and the video upload file, and after that they download a video in the file URL, and after the note they analyzer what is deeply analyzed video, what is in the video, they deeply analyze what is in video, and after that they get many videos on the query about the title car rental videos animated 3D form, and they get many items, and after that they aggregate fields title description in the one items like 5 items, and output is one item, and after that they return all data in your the single array form, the title and the descriptions, and the title and the descriptions, and after that the AI agent the my video title what is according for the input form, and what is the video analyzing they I put here for the accuracy purpose, and the competitor research for reference only. I write here competitors title, competitor descriptions, and I just paste here my input SEO friendly description for my videos, and I write here enable fallback model and specific output parser, and the here's I add my system prompt and output parser. They make a they make a good title and the description and the text from the comma, and after that they humanize your title descriptions. So what is a BMW in 3D animation drive into elegance? I replace 3D animation drive into elegance is humanize and your description to protect. So here's I original title original, and there is AI base. So next, what is the schedule time? My ad here is 18 on the 28 tag. So again, I want in the video, and what is the title? And I publish my region according the video in UAE, and what is the category? Auto vehicles. Input binary field is the video, and the language is the English. Description I paste here, notified by the subscribers. Its status is private because I schedule my publish time. So what is the published date and time? According 18, like it's 6 p.m. on the evening time, and I put here my tags, and so let's check that out. I have the details. There is the descriptions. Yes, it's made for kids, and show more, and, and there is the tags BMW and every tags right here, and the English, and the standard allow, and the cars and vehicles categories, and just and upload a video in the good way. You just need to upload a video, and by the title they self-analyze and write title, tags, and everything spy on your site. If you need that JSON's if you need that JSON, I send that JSON on my WhatsApp community. You can message me on my WhatsApp channel. I send you by free of cost. So goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe now.